Video description.
Are you someone with a dream of working in Germany? Are you ready to make that dream a reality? In this comprehensive video guide, we will walk you through the process of obtaining a German job seeker visa, making it easier for you to pursue employment opportunities in this thriving European country. From the initial application to the final steps, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions and expert tips to ensure a smooth and successful visa journey. Get ready to embark on a new chapter of your life by watching this informative video.
Keywords.
1. German job seeker visa. 2. Working in Germany. 3.
Employment opportunities in Germany.
4.
Visa application process.
5.
Moving to Germany for work.
Introduction. Background music fades in. Narrator. Welcome to the ultimate guide on obtaining a German job seeker visa, your key to unlocking professional opportunities in Germany. In today's video, we will demystify the application process, outline the requirements, and provide you with invaluable insights to ease your journey towards your dream career in Germany. Whether you're a recent graduate, an experienced professional, or someone with high skills, this video is your roadmap to success. Let's dive in. Background music intensifies. Section 1. Understanding the German job seeker visa. H2. What is the German job seeker visa? Voiceover. The German job seeker visa is a long-term residence permit that allows individuals from outside the European Union to stay in German territory for up to 6 months while seeking employment. It offers a unique opportunity to explore the German job market, attend interviews, and secure a work contract. Obtaining this visa can be your gateway to a fulfilling career in Germany. H2. Benefits of the German job seeker visa. Voiceover. With the German job seeker visa, you can enjoy several advantages. Firstly, it allows you ample time to search for a suitable job that aligns with your skills and aspirations. Additionally, you have unrestricted access to the German labor market during this period. Furthermore, once you secure employment, you can easily transition to a work permit or a residence permit. Section 2. Requirements and application process. H2. Eligibility criteria. Voiceover. To be eligible for the German job seeker visa, you must possess a bachelor's or higher degree from a recognized university or an equivalent qualification. It is also crucial to have sufficient funds to cover your stay in Germany and the means to purchase health insurance. Proficiency in the English or German language can significantly enhance your chances of finding employment. H2. Application process. Voiceover. The application process for the German job seeker visa involves several essential steps. Firstly, you must gather the required documents, including proof of education, financial resources, health insurance, and a valid passport. Next, you need to complete the visa application form and book an appointment at the German embassy or consulate in your home country. Be prepared for an interview and demonstrate your motivation to work in Germany. H2. Expert tips and guidance. Voiceover. Navigating the visa application process can be challenging, but we're here to help you succeed. Our expert tips include submitting a precise and well-organized application, ensuring all necessary documents are provided, and preparing for the interview by researching German job market trends. Follow these guidelines diligently to maximize your chances of obtaining the German job seeker visa smoothly. Section 3. Making the most of your job seeker period. H2. Job search strategies. Voiceover. With your German job seeker visa, you have a fantastic opportunity to explore a wide range of job opportunities. Research and identify industries and companies that align with your skills and career objectives. Leverage online job portals, professional networking platforms, and career fairs to connect with potential employers. Tailor your resume and cover letters to the German job market to stand out from the competition. H2. Interviews and networking. Voiceover. Networking is an essential aspect of the job search process. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and engage with local communities to expand your network. Prepare thoroughly for interviews by familiarizing yourself with common interview questions, practicing your responses, and showcasing your enthusiasm and adaptability. Make use of your job seeker period to leave a lasting impression and connect with employers and recruiters. Conclusion, outro. Voiceover, congratulations. You are now equipped with the knowledge and insights required to navigate the process of obtaining a German job seeker visa. Remember, this visa serves as your stepping stone towards a fulfilling career in Germany. So, embark on this journey with confidence and determination. Best of luck, and may your dreams become your reality in the vibrant and prosperous job market of Germany. Background music fades out. H3. Subscribe, like, and share. Voiceover. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on visa processes and international career opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may be seeking employment in Germany. Thank you for watching.